Hey Vivan.
Hello.
Vivan, are you ready for your fourth grade spelling list test?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna start asking you, and you are going to answer. Okay, so this is the Scripps National Spelling Bee 2021-2022 fourth grade. I am gonna ask him the spellings.
Yes.
All right.
And before we start, I want to do a May Had a Little Lamb tune for you on the ukulele.
Okay. Okay, perfect. The first one is cleat.
CLEAT.
Surface.
Surface or circus?
Surface.
Okay. SURFACE.
Shimmery.
SHIMNERY.
Detect.
DETECT.
Squints.
Squint?
Mm-hmm.
Like you squint at something?
Mm-hmm.
SQUINTS.
Relative.
Relative, right?
Yeah, relative, sorry.
RELATIVE.
Rattled.
Like I rattled, yeah. RATTLED.
Playlist.
PLAYLIST.
Outright.
OUTRIGHT.
Trickster.
TRICKSTER.
Absent.
Absent. ABSENT. Absent.
Irregular.
Irregular.
Yeah.
ER.
Sorry, irregular.
Yeah. I mean I
Mm-hmm.
R R E GULAR. Irregular.
Okay, stoats.
Stoats. STOATS.
Wardrobe.
Stoats. Wardrobe. WARDROBE. Wardrobe.
Masthead.
MASTHEAD. Masthead.
Nudged.
Nudged. NUDGED.
Great. Jamestown.
Jamestown or great?
Jamestown.
Capital JAMESTOWN.
Bustling.
BUSTLING.
Nile.
Capital NILE.
Indent.
INDENT.
Blindfolded.
BLINDFOLDED.
S'mores.
S apostrophe MORE, not MORE, S.
Okay, cringed.
Cringed?
Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry, cringed.
Yeah. CRINGED.
Indie.
INDIE.
Throat.
THROAT.
Squabbling.
Scribbling.
God bless you. Squabbling.
SQUABBLING.
Glib.
GLIB.
Texture.
TEXTURE.
Savor.
Savor.
Mm-hmm.
SAV or R is the preferred spelling, and SAVOUR is the other spelling.
Okay, talons.
What?
Talons.
Like the talons of an eagle? Yeah. TALONS.
Revved.
REVVED.
Vibrant.
VIBRANT.
Leghorn.
LEGHORN.
Scarf.
SCARF.
Scrolls.
SCROLLS.
Sitcom.
SITCOM.
Basically.
Bicycly.
Clobbered.
Um, um, Clobbered.
Drone.
Drone.
Eyesore.
Eyesore.
Hull.
Hull.
Scuba.
Scuba.
Sneer.
Sneer.
Scuffle.
Scuffle.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Inclined.
IN
Hmm.
INCLINED.
Dire.
DIRE.
Wizard.
WIZARD.
Shrine.
SHRINE.
And the last word is pineapple.
PINEAPPLE.
All right, so Vivan just did the 50 words that were in the fourth grade list. So that is just list number 1 of fourth grade, and the next one would be fifth grade spellings. Thanks, Vivan. Bye.
Bye.